Today, we will be learning how to daisy chain 2 or more LED digital signage devices using the Viplex Handy app. Connect the first unit from the HDMI out to the second unit with the HDMI in, and so on. Go to the setting on your phone, click on the Wi-Fi option. Toggle on the Wi-Fi button if not enabled. Under Networks, locate your LED digital signage device. Exit Settings. Now click on the Viplex Handy app. Click on Devices. Now click the Connect button once with the device you want to connect. Tap on Screen Management and scroll down and click on Multi-Screen Mosaic. Toggle on the Multi-Screen Mosaic button. Choose from left, choose from right. Mosaic by, choose Quantity. Screens to Mosaic. Enter the number of screens to mosaic.